front of me is iPhone 17 and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Based on my personal use of this iPhone 17, let me show you how to adjust the vibration settings for daily notifications and more. Start by opening Settings and scrolling a tiny bit to click on this section called Sounds and Haptics, right under Notifications. Now you need to scroll and click on Haptics under Ringtone and Alerts first. Then pick one of those options. Haptics for ringtones and alerts. Always play in silent mode, don't play in silent mode, or never play. If you see a tiny check mark right next to one of your options, that means that it was successfully applied. When you're ready, go back, scroll down, and click on one of those options: ringtone, text tone, new voicemail, calendar alerts, reminder alerts, or default alerts. Every one of those sections, after you tap on it, have haptics options at the top. You can adjust it to each one the same way. So let's begin. Hit haptics and either tap on synchronized. Select one of those patterns by tapping on the best one for you, or scroll all the way down to select none. But here's my favorite feature. After tapping on Create New Vibration, you can actually tap it in. When you're done, hit Tap at the bottom right corner. Then to play them, click on Play at the bottom left one. When you're ready, hit Stop. If you want to, you can always record them again by hitting Record and starting over. To dismiss creating new vibration completely, use this X at the top left corner. To save your new haptic feedback pattern, hit Save at the top right one. Now name it and hit Save in the pop-up. To apply it, you need to click on it here. Now if you ever want to delete it, you need to hit Edit at the top right corner. Click on your custom pattern and choose Delete on the right. Then go back. And after managing haptic feedback for all of those options, click on Keyboard Feedback here. And if you wish, enable or disable haptics by clicking on this switcher next to it. Then go back again and use this switcher next to System Haptics to switch them off or turn them on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!